Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Soft Taki from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start with a wide curve for the shape of the face. Let's draw the eyes next. Start with an angled line on the left. Now from the right side, draw a curve up and to the left, but don't go all the way to the end. Then add a small black triangle on the bottom left now. Next, add another curved eyelash on the top right. And lastly, add two diagonal lines inside in the bottom left corner. Let's draw the right eye now in the same way, but slightly smaller like this. Next, let's draw the mouth. Draw an angled line underneath. And add a curve under. And now color the mouth in black. Draw a backwards checkmark shape above the left eye. And then a V shape above the right. Let's start drawing the hair next. Draw an angled line in between the eyes on the left. And then a curve down to the right eye. And continue it on the other side to close off the face. Now draw a curve on the left to close off this side of the face. And one more taller curve above it. Next, on the left side, draw a curved line down. And add a small angle at the top. Now, draw a similar line out to the left. Let's hop to the top of this line now and draw a large S-curve up and to the right. And then a curve down at the end. Now add another curved piece of hair to the right. And then two more upturned pieces down to the face. Let's draw the crown next. On the top left of the head, draw a curve. And then points up on either end. And one last taller point in the middle. And color this in black. Next, let's finish the long piece of hair on the left. At the bottom, draw a small point in between the two lines. Then lines out on both sides. Next, inside the piece of hair, draw a curve on the right. And then a smaller triangle under. Let's add our hair scrunchie at the bottom now like this. Now finish off the end piece of the hair. Start with the curve at the top. And then two curved V shapes underneath. Then continue your last line in slightly. And then add a point at the top. Now before drawing her body, let's draw the chainsaw first. Draw an angled rectangle on the left side just under her hair. And then add two angled lines underneath. and then a line across to connect the two. Next, on the top, draw another angle. And then a curve down and out to the left. And now square off the bottom. Now inside, add a border. Next, let's add the chainsaw blade out to the right. Draw two long diagonal lines up on the right, with the bottom one being a little bit shorter. Now connect them with a curve at the end. Next, draw a thin border around this shape. Next, we're going to add some details to the chainsaw. In the main body of the chainsaw, draw a circle on the left. And then add a dot in the center. Next, draw another circle on the right side. Now inside the circle, draw a diagonal line. And then a curve under. Next, add a rectangle shape in the top right. Next, let's add a rectangle shape at the top here. Now, in the space above, draw a black rectangle and semicircle like this. Then lastly, for the chainsaw, draw small black rectangles along the entire outside of the blade. Let's draw the top part of her body next, starting with the left arm. Draw a diagonal line between her face and the hair scrunchie. And then an angled line to the left for her shoulder. Now continue this line under her hair and curve it down to the chainsaw. Next, let's draw 4 fingers on top of the chainsaw like this. Then erase any of the chainsaw lines inside the fingers. Now above the fingers, draw a diagonal for the other side of the arm. And then a curve for the side of the body. Let's hop back up under her face now and draw a wide V shape. And then another V under on the right for her collar. And then draw 2 curves above for the neck. Next, draw a curve down for the side of the body. And then the shoulder out to the right. Let's hop underneath the chainsaw now and draw the bottom of her arm with a curve like this. Now that we've finished her torso, let's finish off her hair. On the right side of her face, draw a pointed piece of hair out. And then a curve back down to the shoulder. Let's draw her legs next. Draw 2 angled lines underneath. Then add a small upside down V shape in the top right. Now curves on either side for the skirt. Next, draw 2 more diagonal lines here for the other side of the legs. and then add a curve across each leg. Then add another set of diagonal lines down to the left, with the right line being a bit shorter. Now let's draw the shape of the feet at the bottom like this. Let's draw the shoe details now. Draw curves on both of the ankles. And then a curved triangle shape out to the left. Now add curves on the top of each foot. And lastly, a curve across the bottom of each shoe. And that's it for Soft Taki. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.